Okay, now we are discuss about exercise 9.2 9th class 9th problem. See, first read problem carefully, you will get very easily this one. See, the mean weight of 3 students is 40 kgs. Okay, 3 students mean weight equal to how much they given? 40 kgs. One of the students, Ranga, weighs 46 kg. Ranga weight equal to 46 kg given. The other 2 students, Rahim and Reshma, have the same weight. They have same weight. Find Rahim's weight. Rahim's weight means automatically Reshma weight also will come. Why means here Rahim's weight and Reshma weight will be same there. See, first which one we don't know, that you take first. See solution. See how I am taking here. First here Rahim and Reshma weight not given, so we have to take the means any one variable we have to take here. So here they have same weight, equal weight have. So I am taking here, let Rahim and Reshma weight equal to equal to x kgs. You take x kgs. We don't know that, so we take x kgs. Next here Ranga weight equal to given. Ranga weight equal to Ranga weight equal to how much they given here? 46 kgs. 46 kgs. Given this one. Now here mean weight of 3 students. This also given na. Mean weight of 3 students is how much they given here? So I am writing here mean weight of 3 students. 3 students equal to how much they given here? 40 kgs pure. 40 kgs. Okay, so mean weight of 3 students means here mean formula what here? Sum of the observations by total number of observations. That you write it here. So mean weight of 3 students equal to 40 given, and now you write the formula. So sum of observations divided by number of observations. Equal to this one, as it is, you write it here 40. See, sum of observations means how many members are there? 3 members are there. So 1 member weight we know. So 1 member Rahim weight equal to means here Ranga weight only we know. Remaining 2 members we don't know. So we have to write here 3 members there. 3 members means 1 member is the 46. Remaining 2 members x, another one also x 2. Divided by how many members are there? 3 members are there. 1, 2, 3. So divided by 3. Sum of observations means 3 members weight we have to write. Only we know Ranga weight only know. So I wrote here 46. Remaining 2 members weight we don't know. So we take an x. So x plus x. Total how many members are there? 1, 2, 3. Divided by number of observations means 3 I taken. Equal to here how much is there here? 40. Now see 40 as it is, you write it here 40 plus see here x plus x. X plus x how much here? 2x divided by down 3 as it is, you write it equal to 40. Now here don't add this to your variable there na. Don't add here. So as it is, you write it this one here 46 plus 2x equal to, now here division is there. When we will transport right side, it become multiplication. So here we will get the here 40 into 3. 40 into 3 we get. So this one has to write it here 46 plus 2x equal to 3 0 0 you write it. 3 4 12. 120 you got. Okay. So now here 2x as to write it here only. 2x equal to here plus 46 when we transport that side it become a minus 46. So 120 minus 46. Simply remember when we transport LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, plus become minus, minus become plus, into become division, division become into. Remember. So here this one I am writing here. You write here 2x equal to 120 minus 46. 120 minus 46 how much here? So we'll get the C. 120, 40, 80. 80 minus 6, 74. We are getting a 74. Okay. So we are getting a 74. Now you here x equal to you transport that side here 74 into there into become division. So now we can cancel na 74 of 2 means how much we will get? Otherwise here 2 1 ja 2 3 ja here 1 there here 4 there 14 2 7 ja 14. So x equal to 37. X equal to what we taken here? Rahim and Reshma weight equal to each 37 kgs are there. So according to problem they asked here Rahim weight equal to. So therefore Rahim weight equal to Rahim weight equal to how much here? 37 kgs. Rahim weight 37 kgs means Reshma weight also 37 kgs. Why means they have same weight. See the other two students Rahim and Reshma have the same weight. Okay. So answer equal to Rahim weight equal to 37. Okay. So if you understand this problem, okay, otherwise you comment to me. So I will explain next video. Thank you for watching Rankers Academy YouTube channel. So please subscribe and encourage us. Thank you one and all.